Welcome to our event space at Pique Travel. Let me give you a tour and take you inside. Usually when people walk in, they're a little surprised because of the scale of the building. It's very long and open and big, and most importantly, we have this beautiful barrel roof that is original from when the building was built in the 1940s. Also in this area is usually the reception area and where we greet people. And of course with greeting people, usually comes offering them a beverage of their choice. So we built in a bar, and we used, in flavor of the space, we used reclaimed wood and metal off the old rooftop. So this is built in, makes it really easy to serve your guests. Also behind it is a TV that we love because you can put your own custom photos on it, and whether it's a wedding or a celebration of life or a corporate event, anything is great because you can put as many photos on it and it'll just run through them. Also in the middle here is a really fun little leather seating area. You can either keep it here if it is conducive to your floor plan, or we can move it anywhere in the space that you want to, or remove it altogether. And then finally up in the front is this really fun 1940s old school phone booth, which is great for a lot of people like to do photos in it, or it's just kind of a fun little visual piece. The building has just a fun story in and of itself. It was built in the 1940s as a lumber warehouse. So it used to be storage and warehouse, and when we did the restoration, we vowed to do two things. One is to keep that barrel roof original, and the other was to keep the floors original. And this is why. Pallet marks that were painted back when the building was built, they represent when the trains used to come in for Lyman Lumber. This is where they would drop off for each customer. Each number was a different customer that this is where they would pick up their load. So when we restored the building, we really wanted to preserve this as part of the character. This is kind of one of the fun pieces in the space. It's we just call it our half wall or our moving cart. It's on wheels. It's built out of, again, reclaimed wood from the space, so stays within the charm and flavor of the decor. And because it's on wheels, we can move it anywhere. So people will put it on the side of the space or leave it here. They might serve desserts, it might be a buffet. For a wedding, it could be a display area or for gifts. So again, very versatile, and we can move it anywhere in the space that you would want it. One aspect of the space that you're free to use however you want are these wooden farm tables that were built off the wood off the old walls. They're versatile because it's nice, they have wheels, so you can reconfigure it however you want to, kind of depot style. And we have 4 of them. So this configuration shows 2 pushed together, great for meetings or large dinners, or a lot of people love to run them just down the middle of the space all lined up. Again, there's 4 of them, so you can reconfigure them however is appropriate to your event. In addition to the farm tables we have a lot of different table configurations, low tops and high tops that you can use depending on the nature of your event. The space is equipped with lots of audiovisual needs, including this large oversized drop-down screen, a mounted projector, handheld microphones, and stadium surround sound speakers. One of my personal favorites in the space are these beautiful original old school barn doors that came from a unique horse stable that's not far from here in Excelsior. And we needed 4, we found 4 that were original to the barn from decades ago. A little feature, this one has a horse head. Another feature of the space is this beautiful floor to ceiling fireplace with a nice long firebox, great for ambiance in the colder months, but also a great backdrop for photos, a wedding ceremony, anything else that's appropriate for your event. It's just a nice backdrop. Here's our deck. It runs the full length of the building, and there's a sliding glass door to easily get you in and out. It's fun because we have some tables set out here. Some people put high tops for gatherings out on the deck, and also great for games like cornhole or other activities that you want to enjoy the outdoors. Awesome, Brandon. Thank you.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Oh, that's a martini.